Okay guys, so as you see here, we have our steak and we have our air fryer. I have the Fiber Wave air fryer, and this is the same one I used in my last video. And make sure things are focused for you guys. This is the same one I used in my last video. So all we're going to do is take our steak out. Like I said in my last video, you can cook this steak in the air fryer frozen. So if you want to see that video, you can, but this is going to be like a little clearer and more detailed video. So I'm going to take my steak out and I'm going to mix my steak, and then we're going to season this bad boy up. And great timing for a steak when you don't have all day, or you're just getting home from work and you don't want to sit and watch your steak cook. Hold on, let me let it focus. Okay, so you've been on a steak and you just get home from work and you don't want to sit around and watch your steak cook. This is the great option for you, the air fryer. So I'm just going to take a little chenice and maybe a little bit of this Chicago steak seasoning. See if you guys can see that. Yeah, so the Chicago steak seasoning, and a little black pepper as well. But first I like to just kind of poke a little few holes in my steak. And also I'm going to use some garlic. Let me get that out. And a little garlic powder as well. So let's focus. A little garlic powder as well on the steak. So I'm going to season one side and then I will season the other side the same way. And just a light seasoning. I don't like too much seasoning on my steak. I think I have one of these open already. Let me not open a new one. And you guys, let's see. And you guys, let me know what other videos you guys might want to see. I'm going to do the same thing to this side like I did to the other side. And then we're going to season it. Put a little pepper. And a little garlic and a little chenice. So once that is done and you get your steak all nice and seasoned like so, you want to get your air fryer ready, which is already kind of ready. Just a click and a button away. Let me just kind of move the camera up. Okay, so you want to get your air fryer ready, and so you just want to click the button as you can see here, and it has it's already set on 400 for 15, but you want to change this to whatever you're cooking. So I'm cooking a steak and it says 412. I'm just going to add a few more time. I like my steak kind of medium, so you just put it to where you like. And if it's not done to your liking when you open it up, then just run it for a couple more minutes and you'll be good. So this is what I'm going to put mine on right now, 25 and at 400, and you're just going to place the steak inside like so. So this is how it will look inside of the air fryer depending on your steak. So you get a nice size steak inside of this, as you can see. And I'm going to put it in and then make sure it's closed, and then you press play and your steak is on its way to being cooked. Let me get down here with you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna let this cook for a while, and then I'm gonna come back to the video, and I'm gonna show you guys like the halfway point. My camera's trying to focus. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the halfway point of the steak once it's done, and then I might flip it because I kind of like to flip my steak, even though I'm putting it in the air fryer. But you can just let it run if you want to. But I like to flip my steak. So I will see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, I am back, and it's kind of like the halfway mark, but I just want to show you guys like at the halfway mark what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it just has like 7 more seconds to go, and that I love this golden brown color that it has already. But I'm going to do like I told you guys, I'm going to flip it so that this side, so this side of it can get a little golden brown as well. And then I will come back to you guys when this is up. Okay guys, so I am done, and as you can see, I took the steak out, and it's a little, you see the oil at the bottom. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that's all the oil from the steak. I don't know when she turned it off. I let mine sort of cool off before I rinse it off. But this is the steak guys, and doesn't it looks amazing and juicy. I'm going to cut it for you guys so you can see the juiciness of this steak as soon as I find a knife. So we got a knife, even though this is a big knife. It's not the knife I will use, but usually I will let my steak kind of rest before I cut it. Kind of let this steak kind of rest some before I cut it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to just cut it now. Like I told you guys, I like my steak kind of medium, so it will be a little pink. So guys, let's see, once it focuses, so this is the steak guys, and doesn't that look amazing? Look at that, perfectly cooked through, perfect medium, and nice golden color on the steak. Oh my god guys, like I just can't wait to taste this steak. And yeah, so I taste the steak guys, and it's very juicy. Oh my god. But this is the steak. Let's get a little steak montage.